Yo, it's your boy 1K, man, and I just wanted to get on this video real quick to let y'all know. Shout out to Piece of Cake Moving. They did my move that was moving from South Jersey up into New York. It was a quick, easy transaction, you know what I'm saying? They called me, let me know, oh, I'm going to be there at 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock window, which was super cool with me. And they were definitely there fast at 9 o'clock on the dot, honestly, ready to go, ready to pack. Once they got there, they made sure everything was packed up really nicely, decided to take down my bed frame. And once they took down the bed frame, they made sure it was wrapped up and secure so I could bring it to the new apartment. And everything was just super smooth. And they asked a bunch of questions to make sure that they were doing everything right. And my shoe boxes that were going where they needed to go. It was just super good. And I had a lot of clothes. They definitely came through with those wardrobe boxes, because I had so many items that I needed to take here to New York. Man, the transaction was fast, moved my stuff up to the building, and yeah, it was quick and easy. Piece of Cake gonna get it done.